Hey guys, in this video we will compare JavaScript and jQuery. So let's start. jQuery was created in 2006. It was designed to handle browser incompatibilities and to simplify HTML DOM manipulation, event handling, animations, and Ajax. For more, for more than 10 years, jQuery has been the most popular JavaScript library in the world. However, after JavaScript version 5, most of the jQuery utilities can be solved with a few lines of standard JavaScript. So we have index.html file and we have jQuery CDN. So let's start. Finding HTML elements by ID. So I create a p tag and set ID paragraph and copy this. So with jQuery, jQuery, we get element by ID with this syntax paragraph, and so for example element is paragraph, and in JavaScript we get the element by ID with so let element 2 is document dot get element dot get element by ID, and we have paragraph, and so like element and element 2, save and run. So we have paragraph with jQuery and we have p tag with JS, and finding HTML elements by tag name. So element is, for example, with tag name, and in JavaScript we get the element by tag name with so element 2 is document dot get elements by tag name, elements by tag name, and p tag and index 0, save and reload, and we have p tag and paragraph tag, and so finding HTML elements by class name. So set the class, for example, text, and in here element is dot text with jQuery, and element 2 is documents dot get elements by class name and text and index 0, save and reload. So we have p tag and our p tag, open console, and p paragraph and class is text, and finding HTML elements by CSS selectors. So return a list of all p elements with class intro. So copy and paste and p.text, and in here copy and paste and documents dot query selector all and p dot text and remove and index 0 and save and reload. So we have p tag class text and we have a list of p tags in here. So if I remove the index, save and reload, and we have node list. And so hiding HTML elements. So in jQuery, we have elements element.hide, and in JavaScript we have element dot this dot style dot display and set to none. And so we have a text and so reload, and the paragraph tag hide it. And if I, for example, so comment this and comment this, save and reload, we have this. And if I uncomment this, save and run, and you see the result. And if I comment this and uncomment this, save and reload, and so you have an error, element style the display. So what's wrong is no, cannot set properties to undefined setting display. So yeah, index 0, save and reload, and we have this result. And showing HTML elements. So show with, so uncomment this, comment, and so you can show HTML. So comment and set style and display none, save and reload, and in here element dot show, save and reload, and we have paragraph. And comment this and copy and paste, and element style display and set empty string. So reload, and we have the same result. And styling HTML elements. Change the font size. For example, change the font size of an HTML element. So in here, element dot, so comment this and remove this style, and so element dot css, and so font size, and the value is 35 pixel, and save and reload, and the font size has changed. And comment this, and in JavaScript you can change style with element2 dot style dot font size and 35 pixel, and so reload, and we have the same result. So set text content. Set the inner text of an HTML element. So remove this and save. And so in jQuery we have element2 dot text, element dot text, and for example, hello guys, save and reload, and we have hello guys. And comment this, and in JavaScript element 2, the text content is hello or hey guys. Save and reload, and we have hey guys. And get text content. So for example, we have hello, and in here like element dot text and save and reload, and we have hello in here. And so comment this, and element 2 dot text content and like, save and reload, and we have hello in line 31, and set HTML content. So for example, remove this and comment this, or remove this, no, comment, and element dot HTML. So for example, we have a p tag in p tag, just example, and hello, and in p tag, for example, a style, color is red. Save and reload, and we have a hello, and inspect, we have a p tag, and in p tag we have hello. We have a p tag with hello content, and comment this, copy this p tag, and in here with JavaScript element 2 dot inner HTML is this. Save and reload, we have the same result. We have a p tag in our elements. And get HTML content. So for example, you can get HTML content with, so in here, uncomment and comment this, so like element dot HTML, save and reload. So console, we have p tag and color is red and hello, and comment this and comment this, uncomment and like. So element 2 dot like element 2 dot inner HTML, and remove this like, save and run, and we have p tag and style color red. And removing HTML elements, so comment this and remove this, save, reload. So in the p tag, for example, 1 2 3 4, just example, reload, we have these numbers. And so to remove the element, you can write element dot remove and save and reload, and we don't have p tag. So inspect, and in body we don't have any p tag. And so comment this, and in JavaScript you can element2 dot remove, save and reload, and we have the same result. And get parent element. So in p tag I create a div and set id my div, and so in jQuery element dot parent and dot prop node name. Node name is div. Save and reload console. So console.log, save and reload. We have div tag. So comment this, and in JavaScript comment, and so save and reload, and element 2 dot parent node dot node name. Save console.log and save. Reload, and we have div tag.